Guys, I'm gonna show you what I got in here. Yes, Smith and Wesson FPC folding pistol carbine. What a beauty. So this comes in this low profile carrying case. It's got some pouches here. This is a strap for the carrying case. Owner's manual and a lock, which nobody uses. I don't know why. And this comes with 3 10-round magazines. I know if you bought this in some other states, you will get 2 23-round mags and 1 17-round mag. In other words, high capacity rounds. But unfortunately, I live in this state where there are firearm restrictions, rules, and laws, and whatever. It is what it is. Okay, so the first thing I noticed is this back strap. What is this? I mean, I can't even grip the gun because of this stupid thing in there. I don't know. But anyway, the overall length is about 30 inches, and when it is folded, it's about 16 inches, okay? It's basically made of polymer material. The handguard is got the M-lock and Picatinny rail, so you can basically put a lot of attachments in here, which is nice. So this is blowback operated, okay? The butt stock is not adjustable, but it can actually carry 2 extra mags. Which is nice. Okay. Alright, so there it is. Smith and Wesson blowback operated semi-automatic 9mm carbine. I don't know. Anyway, so I already bought some accessories, especially, of course, the optic sight, backup sights, angled forward grip, and also I bought an extra 15-round mag. Okay, so I'm going to attach all this, and I will come back to you and show you what I did. Okay. Okay guys, here it is. So I attached the optic sight. This is a reflex sight, and it comes with the laser, which is really nice. I installed this backup sights. Okay. Also this angled forward grip. Yeah, looking good. Oh, by the way, I took the this ridiculous back strap and I'm just gonna replace it with a regular one. Okay. Yeah, looks good, right? All right, I'm gonna go to the shooting range and let's get popping.